Good evening. Today is Thursday, November 16, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Short Treat 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 16, 2023, Thursday. Here are the SL Short 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, November 16, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of November 16, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.